Day finally came. We got Sur Ron X delivered just a few 10 minutes ago. Amazing. So quick. Thank you, Lunicycle. I'm sure you guys have already watched a few unboxing videos, so just a bunch of stuff here to take off, zip ties and whatnot. I've never ordered a bike online. I was lucky enough to be able to go, it's the headlight, down to the Segundo location. I was able to test drive my Sur Ron there. That would be the front tire. Woo! Beautiful. I learned about the Sur Ron about, I want to say 2 months ago, so the fact that now I've got one sitting in my garage is pretty amazing. Like, wow, this is a whole new version of having fun on 2 wheels, so let's get after it. So, I've never assembled a bike before. I'll just be upfront on that. And I'm not the most mechanically inclined, but I think we can figure it out. And I've also never done an unboxing video, so thanks for joining in and sharing it with me. Alright, I know we need to deal with that eventually. But let's just take off the rest of the plastic and enjoy the cleanest the bike will ever be. Alright. Nice chain, pre-oiled. Alright, let's get these brakes installed here. Need to just be careful to where the wires go. Make sure nothing's getting crossed up. Brakes, looks good. Throttle is next. Vroom, vroom. There we go. And we'll finesse that a little bit later. People call them handlebars, but I mean, it's just one bar. Never really thought of that. All right. Alright, we'll fine tune that later. Alright, last bit of plastic is off, officially. Nice. Question is, actually, I think we should probably loosen the suspension first. Front or back first? I'd say front. Yes. Nice. Here comes a little memory ring. Nice. Maybe give it a little decompression first. Maybe I'm just feeling weak today. More than one way to do it. Alright, the beast is almost loose. That's it. Get this part of the axle out. I forgot about how this system works. Alright, now we'll come back over here, see what the deal is. Okay, don't tip over on me, baby. I gotta say, filming and using a camera is quite awkward, but I'll get better, I hope. I think it's, there it is. I don't know if you can see this, but it's slowly coming out. You just have to give it a little, drop and pull. And out it comes. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Oh boy. Now, the Ron is about to get out of its box. Okay. An important step is to clean off this caliper because it comes with some factory installed gunk, but who knows if that's true. But it seems like an easy enough step to do. Alright, so this came, that's an axle, right? For this side, yep, boom. See what I'm talking about? That goes right there. Just like on a dirt bike. Where did it go? Just line it up. Only one way to do it. And there we go. Alright, so now we're going to add this. Oop. It's important you don't drop your parts, folks. I'm a little bit of a butterfingers today, and I'm not left-handed. There you go. Come on, baby. Well, that was the problem. I was going the wrong way. Get that nice and torqued. How are we spinning? We spinning, we spinning. You! We'll do final torques once the bike's running around a little bit. That's it. Well, no. We've got the headlight. I want to make sure it's not bound up with the rest of this. Can't wait to go ride. It's getting close. Take out the other side. So when I got my Sur Ron, the battery was 71%. That's pretty awesome. So it should be getting pretty close. I hope. Who knows? Maybe it takes an hour from that charge. I'm not quite sure. Alright, this is going to route up here. Doesn't look like that's going to interfere. Good, there's bump stops. And then the other side should be nice and lined up. There we go. That's it. Good stuff. All right. It's a bike. Well, not quite. That looks horrible. All right. We're going to work on that in a minute. But let's go check and see what the battery's at. That says 86%. We're going to be riding soon. Very excited.